welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley and I love makeup. I focus on indie and affordable brands, so if that's what you're into, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and let's go ahead and get started. Alright you guys, for today's video, it is the Glaminatrix Cosmetics Barely Basic palette. I am really excited. This color story is fall in a palette. It has some grungy tones. It is just absolutely beautiful. So I'm really excited. Let me just try and get this as close to you guys as you can. I just want you to kind of take a look at it, really get a good look at it. I believe this palette is sold out right now, but I believe they are going to do another round. It is the end of August. I think they said next month, which would be September, but don't hold me on that. Follow the Glaminatrix Cosmetics Instagram page to kind of get the latest information about their products. All right, so I'm thinking we're going to do one orangish brownish eye, I think. I don't know, for some reason, like this column is really getting me. And I really like this one too, but then I'm looking at the more red one. But I'm thinking we're going to keep it to these two columns. So one column with this, one column with this, one column with that. And yeah, I don't know that we're going to use all the shades, but let's just get started. You know how it goes, see what happens, and hopefully we come up with two beautiful looks. Whew, that was a lot, you guys. Life is just hitting nonstop, and there's just a lot going on right now. I am so tired. Like, I went to sleep last night, had trouble really getting into that deep sleep. Woke up pretty early, then kind of fell back asleep, and then slept until like almost 10, which like I don't do very often. So that goes to show you like how tired I am. All right, let's start with the shade. Let's just start with the shade Scrunchy right here, because like that's just, these greens, I'm telling you, they look so beautiful. I am just so excited. A lot of kick up with this, a lot of kick up. All right, so you guys, what products have you just absolutely been loving? Like what have you picked up? Just what is it for you? I know I've gotten a lot of palettes. I keep wanting to try and go live. I would have to do it for my cell phone because I don't have all the stuff I would need to do it from my camera. And I'm also scared that I won't be able to figure out how to doing it from my camera. So I'm just worried about the quality of the video and if it'd be absolutely horrible. Like, I don't want someone to see that and be like, oh my gosh, I don't want to subscribe to this channel because the quality of the content is horrible. So that's something that is kind of holding me back. Also, what if no one watches? Which I would totally understand, but you know, it's just something I would want to do that would be fun. I was thinking maybe I could show the newer palettes I picked up because I do have a couple that are, you know, that are just really cool. All right, let's go with the shade Haul right here. Just kind of deepen that up a little bit. And in this palette, they said one shade is like metallic shades and the other shade is topper shades. So I'm kind of curious to see how everything kind of works together. And I usually don't stick to the columns, but I just kind of wanted to see how these looks would go if I stick to what they were intended to. Like, each column is like a full look. You can, of course, like, you don't have to follow that, and I usually don't, but I just wanted to see how things would look if I actually did that. All right, so far I'm really enjoying this. I don't know what is going on. Like, my table and my palettes stacked, but they're just not really staying in formation. I try to keep palettes I need to film with still in a stack, so that way they're all together. All right. Now, trying to decide something. I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the shade Subscribe and I'm just gonna put that all over my lid. And then we're gonna go in and we're gonna We're gonna go in with like the shimmers and see how those are. Okay, yeah, this would be like a perfect pretty just matte look. Like, again, I would never really do an all matte look, but this would be really, really pretty. Don't get me wrong. All right, so I'm just gonna take that shade Subscribe and just kind of like put it on the lower lash line, smoke it out. All right. Now we're gonna go in with some glitter glue. And we're gonna put that on the lid. Just gently tap it in. And now, so I think the more metallic-y shade is the shade Engagement, and I think the one that is more a topper is just GRWM, which that one looks more bluish, so I'm like, does that really line up? No, that's kind of green. Okay. Yeah, so let's first, we're gonna go in with that shade Engagement. And then we might do some GRWM like on top of it a little bit. But let's just see how this looks. This is gonna be, I have a feeling this is gonna be amazing. Yeah, that is, whew, she pretty, she pretty. Glaminatrix has an amazing, amazing shimmer formula, by the way. If you don't know, it's good. It's good. All right. That is awesome, awesome, awesome. Now, I'm just gonna take my finger and that shade GRWM, I'm just gonna dip it in, and we're just gonna put a little bit of that like in the center of the eye. Oh, dang. Okay, that's gorgeous. That is so beautiful. All right, now I need to put a little bit of that GRWM shade just on the lower inner corner for a little lower inner corner highlight. Yeah, that is an awesome, awesome neon green. So beautiful. All right, so one eye done. Let's go ahead and get started on the next eye. All right, so I think we're gonna start with the shade, ooh, Pumpkin Spice. Like I said, this is perfect fall palette. I am so, so excited. Okay, there is hella kick up with these. It doesn't really bother me. It happens, but if that's something that bothers you, I mean, I'm not really getting fallout on the eyes. It's just when you initially dip your brush in, it's just powdery shade, but they are really smooth and they blend freaking amazing. So, doesn't really bother me. I mean, with these shades, like you really couldn't ask for more. And with how everything performs. It is just so, so pretty. All right, now we're gonna go in with the shade Review, which is right here. And we're just gonna deepen that crease a little bit. I cannot wait to use the shimmers in this column. feeling they're going to be extra phenomenal. So pretty, you guys. Now we're going to take the shade Comment, and we're just going to put that all over the lid. So that is this one right here. Alright, now I'm going to take that shade Comment and just kind of like buff it out on the lower lash line. I kind of want to take like a brush with nothing on it and just kind of like blend a little bit more, both under eyes. There we go. All right, and now just gonna take that glitter glue, put it down all over the lid, or the lower part of the lid, sorry. And now I'm just really excited about this. We're going to take the shade Viral, which is this shade right here, and just put that all over the lid space where we put down the glitter glue. Oh man, this is really, really, really pretty. So pretty. All right, I am just absolutely loving that. Now I'm going to take the shade FYP, which is the topper shade, and I'm just going to put it in the center of the eye. There. I just love this palette. Like, that is just so pretty. All right, now same shade FYP is just going to be our lower inner corner highlight. Man, this is pretty. All right, you guys, beautiful, beautiful. I'm gonna go do my mascara, fix the bangs, come back, and we'll do a final look, talk about some more things, and just kind of, yeah, just continue on. So I will be right back. All right, you guys, I'm back. I need to add some highlight. If you watched many of my last several videos, I've been using the Mandy Makeup Lightworker highlights. They are absolutely phenomenal. This is a new one that I just got. I did pick up a few of our favorite things palettes. It's right here. I'm hoping I'll be filming with that tomorrow. So hopefully that video should be coming up or going up soon, shortly after this one. But this is the Lightworker highlight in the shade Angel Baby, and I just want to put that on just because I haven't used it yet. Okay, let me get the hair out of the way. I want to make sure that you guys can see this going on. Oh, okay, okay. All right, yes, that is so pretty. I got a little crazy with that because I was trying to like look where I was putting it on. That's okay. Like, who doesn't love like an awesome, awesome, awesome highlight? I mean, that is freaking gorgeous. Okay, now I kind of got to do the same thing on the other side. There we go. Okay, yeah, every one of these shades is absolutely phenomenal. All right, I am like glowing from the skies. You can see this from outer space. It is freaking gorgeous. Okay, so let me put this cap back on. Yeah, just absolutely just so pretty. Okay. You know I love a good glow. Now I'm going to use a little bit more of my Rick and Morty setting spray by Glaminatrix. You know I love this. All right. So let me get my highlight that I kind of spilled off the palette. This is the Glaminatrix Cosmetics Barely Basic palette. Here is another look at that beautiful, beautiful palette. This is fall in a palette. I love it. And let's just do a look or a view or whatever of the final looks. Hope you guys see that. I hope you guys see this freaking beaming highlight too. It is awesome. What is on the lips? This is the Maybelline Vinyl Ink or Superstay Vinyl Ink in the shade Punchy right here. I just thought that was something that was a little more neutral and would go good with the look. So, this is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, for supporting me and my channel. It means the world to me. Do me a favor, share my content with someone if you think there's someone that would love it. Comment down below if you like the look. Are you a Glaminatrix fan? Have you tried any Mandy makeup products? They are absolutely awesome. Just let me know all of the things. Just tell me down below. I want to hear it. And just remember that you are beautiful, you're loved, you're amazing. And have a wonderful day, night, morning, evening, whatever it is, wherever you are. And I'll see you on the next one.